Stormies, and welcome back to another episode of Games for Breakfast. I realize for a show called Games for Breakfast, we haven't made any breakfast foods yet. And that's okay, we're still not done. Today we are going to make two things. Dusty's Brahmin burgers. And some Nuka Cola barbecue sauce. First, we'll start with the barbecue sauce. I hope you still have some of that Nuka Cola left over from a couple weeks ago, because you're going to need it for the barbecue sauce. If you don't, that's okay. I'll just direct you to the Nuka Cola video on how to make Nuka Cola. Now, in order to make Nuka Cola barbecue sauce, you need a half a cup of Nuka Cola soda, a half a cup of ketchup, a quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, a quarter cup of steak sauce, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Now this is a relatively simple recipe. All we're going to do is we're going to take all of the ingredients, combine them all in a large saucepan. I should specify that we're going to put it on medium to high heat, and we're going to bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to simmer it, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And make sure it's uncovered while you're simmering it. And then we're going to transfer it to an airtight container, and it'll be ready for use. It should last up to 1 month. Alright, so we got our half a cup of Nuka Cola soda, half a cup of ketchup. We'll hop it right in there. Quarter cup Worcestershire sauce. A teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of garlic powder, and last but not least, a tablespoon of hot sauce. Now, everyone has their hot sauce and their steak sauce preferences. I used A1 and Tapatio just because A1 was the first thing I saw, and I just really liked Tapatio. Alright, hot sauce. And now, we put it on a medium to high heat and bring it to a boil. Reduce it and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And of course, 2 spoons stirring. It's boiling. Set it to low. Now it's going to simmer for 20 minutes. Alright, Stormies. Next up is the burger. The thing that your barbecue sauce is going to go on. Dusty's Brahmin burgers. Now, Brahmin are pretty hard to find. So bison, beef, or even turkey will be an excellent substitute. I am going to be using turkey because it's better for you than beef. No shame to those who like to eat beef. Beef is so good. I love a good beef burger. Brian, however, cannot eat beef. He's allergic to it. It's sad. For Dusty's Brahmin burgers, you need 1 pound of ground bison or beef, or in my case, turkey, 2 round onion slices, olive oil, 4 pretzel buns, 4 slices of cheddar cheese, the Nuka Cola barbecue sauce, 4 butter lettuce leaves. I couldn't find butter lettuce, so I just found some nice soft lettuce leaves that I'm going to use. 4 tomato slices, mayonnaise for serving, and salt and pepper. And what we're going to do is, it says to use a grill. We don't have a grill that we can use, so we're going to be using our stove. In a large bowl, mix the ground meat with a generous amount of salt and pepper. Divide it into 4 equal portions. Shape the meat into 4 equal Shape the meat into patties slightly larger than the buns you'll be using. Next, you want to rub the onion slices in olive oil. Season them with salt and pepper. Then, if you're using a grill, you want to place the onions near the main source of the heat and let them cook until they are almost charred. Then you want to transfer them to a plate and cover the plate with tin foil or aluminum foil, whatever you have. You then want to place the patties over the main source of heat on your grill. Cook each side for 4 minutes. Add slices of cheese to the patty. Cover the grill, or in my case it'll be the pan, and let it cook for 1 minute to melt the cheese. The last part is how to assemble, which I'll get to when we get there. Now, you are welcome to combine your ground meat with your salt and pepper however you like. I like to use my hands. Alright, this is my least favorite part, because I absolutely hate cutting onions, because they make my eyes burn. Alright, the fun part. We're just going to prepare the buns while the meat is finishing up cooking. So you prep the buns, all of their delicious goodness. What you want to do? I'm going to take your barbecue sauce and put a large amount on the bottom part of the bun. It smells so good. I wish smell-o-vision was a thing. And if it's a little messy, that's perfectly fine. You know what they say? The messier the burger, the better it tastes. So, put Nuka Cola barbecue sauce on the bottom. And then, get your butter lettuce. The mayonnaise goes on the top half of the bun. Why does it matter? I don't know. That's just what it says. Good burger. A bit thick. Probably should be thinner. But it tastes good. And that's how you make Nuka Cola barbecue sauce in Dusty's Brahmin burgers. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite barbecue sauce is. And also your favorite place to get burgers. And I hope I'll see you next week. I have a bonus video coming up. I'm not going to tell you when or what it's going to be, but it is going to be part of Games for Breakfast. So if you want to see that, want to be notified when it uploads, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!